All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. All right, so in this video, we're going to be going over my Fundrise account. So the account's currently at $4,058 with $677 coming off of gains, guys. The main thing here is that I received an email from, let's see if I can find it here. All right, here it is. Yes, it is. So I received an email from Fundrise saying they're going to have a merger of the E-REITs expected to occur early next year. This is basically to improve the economies of scale. So basically, all they're going to do is join all their E-REITs into a larger fund. That way they can minimize operating costs, merge all their 6 income REITs into one so that it can provide a more sustainable cash flow for investors. All right, guys. So yeah, I just want to provide you that little update. These are other updates that have been occurring on the portfolio here. So new acquisition financing apartments developed in Palm Bay, Florida. See, all these investments, guys, are near the Sun Belt. All right, so yeah, I just want to provide you guys a little update on the account there on the Fundrise. Right, so if you guys have been following me on my channel, right now I selected the supplemental income plan because I want that consistent cash flow. That way I can keep on reinvesting my dividends to compound my account over time. All right, eventually I'm going to be going to the balanced portfolio. That way my assets could also increase in value with the balance because it includes appreciation in a more balanced way and cash flow in a more balanced way as well. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video.